Welcome everybody to Carol's Art Room. In today's video, I'm going to show you how I do a dip. I have two of these tiles. They're 6 by 6. And I'm going to put some white paint down and some other colors. Put them together and do a dip and see how pretty it comes out, I hope. So come and join me and let's get to it. All right, here I am with my two tiles. So the colors I'm going to use today are silver, Amsterdam silver, some Grumbacher turquoise, PBO iridescent blue violet, Prussian blue by I'm not sure if this is the Quatex Basics or Amsterdam. I think it's Amsterdam. And what other color was I going to use? Oh, pink tourmaline by DecoArt. Was I going to use the, no, I was going to change this actually. I'm going to put the light, well, maybe I'll put both. So this is a Bahama Blue and Aquarium by DecoArt. Maybe I'll put both of them. What the heck? So I'm just going to pour. I haven't done one of these in a while, so I'm not sure how. This is the thickness, so it makes a mound and disappears. I'll get my palette knife going. And this white base is Artist Loft mixed with Dower Brownie and Floetrol. So one tile you want to make sure there's quite a bit of paint on. The other tile can be thinner, I think. I've done it on a canvas before, so I'm not sure if the tile will work because it's a harder surface. But soon find out, won't I? It's fun to try new things and play around. Give myself a break from blooms, which I do love doing. Okay. Now I think I need to get the paper towel. So all you have to do is drizzle paint across the top. So this is the blue violet. some Prussian blue. Actually, these are my pouring medium paints also, so. And always, if I like the color combination on what I'm doing, I'll do a blue. Because I just can't help myself. I'm running out of tiles, so I'm going to have to, and our Reuse It store is closed because we're in lockdown. So I'm going to have to do bigger canvases, I guess. And they'll force me to do it. This is a Bahama blue. And I think I'll put some silver. See that? They thicken up after a while when they sit. Give them a stir and a little drop of water if needed. I think I'll put a little bit of this Grumbacher turquoise green. Okay. Now, any other colors I want to put in? Oh, I think I might put a little bit of gold pink by Acrylic. Okay, that's enough of that. That's enough of that. Let's see if we can get the rest of this off. Okay. So then all you do, just debating, is I'm just wiping off my spoons so they don't dry. Okay. I think I should have left a little space at the top, but we'll see. Now it's stuck. I think canvases would squish better together, but maybe not. This is probably easier to squish. All right, let's try and pull this apart now. Do it slow. Whoa, I don't know about this. Whoa, look at that. Well, that's different. These do look like stems, don't they? It's very pretty. I'm just debating, maybe my base was just a little bit too runny, but not too bad. Maybe it could have been a bit thicker. I think I'm happy with this. I could turn it around. Oh, shoot. There. What do you think? I could actually run this down. I wonder if this will work. There. I like it. I'm going to leave it. I'm going to do this one a bit thicker. I learned this from Fiona Art. Okay, there you go. I hope you like this one. Quick, easy, and pretty. It's amazing how one side has more turquoise and the other side has more. It just depends on how the paint was laid down, but it's pretty cool. All right, well, have a good day, everyone, and stay safe and come back to Carol's Art Room. Please subscribe, hit the bell for notifications, comment below, let me know what you think. Give me a thumbs up if you like this. And yeah, have a good day. Bye. Hi, everybody. I just came to look at these dried tiles of my dip that I did. Dried really, really nice. It's kind of pretty. Look at that. That looked nice with a nice shiny coat of varnish on it. Cool. Thanks for watching. Have a good day. Bye-bye.